Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy DD here talking about Uniqlo. Now, you guys know about Uniqlo. If you haven't known about Uniqlo, I'm gonna explain it to you just quickly. It's a brand that hails from the great lands of Japan, and it's a general retail store that emphasizes sustainable wear as well as timeless wear. Now, if you're getting into fashion, this store is great for you. The reason why it's great for you is because,
I want to try some new.
you want to switch it up a little bit, but you don't want to get too crazy with it, then Uniqlo is your place because they do everyday essentials, but they also have different pieces that stand out if you want to switch it up. So it's a great starting place in fashion because you might not want to spend a lot of money on clothes and you still want to look good, and you don't always have to buy designer now. A lot of people might argue that, but that's an argument for another day. But if you want your dollar to stretch, go to Uniqlo, hit it up as soon as you can. Now, one of the reasons why I like it is that no matter if you're big or small, you can definitely find something. When I went there around 4 years ago, I went there, didn't think I would fit it, because a lot of the time Japanese people tend to be smaller than the average person in Canada or in America. And I'm a pretty big guy. You guys know I'm 6'6". But when I went to the store to talk to the employees, they assured me that it would fit. Went to the dressing room, tried everything on, bang. Everything fit, everything is perfect, and I've been wearing their stuff for the last 4 years. And they have really good sales, which is one of the reasons why I like them. So make sure you guys start your account with them, use their newsletter, and then if you get an account with them, they give you coupons, and then you can collect points and all that sort of stuff. So definitely, what I'm saying to people here on Soldier Boy's internet, make sure when you go to Uniqlo, set up an account, get the app, and then you'll know what's happening. If you're into graphic tees, they do a lot of collabs with like Cause, which was a big craze in 2018, 2019. They do collaborations with like Disney, Star Wars, whatever you're into, whatever you like. If you like art, they have Keith Haring stuff as well. So definitely you can see with your own eyes, y'all, with your own eyes, how great this company is when it comes to creating stuff for everybody. Now, the reason why I like this company so much, the main reason, the main reason is that they do collaborations with high fashion brands that most people wouldn't be able to obtain normally. So in the background right here, I got Jill Sander, and then I got a Marnie shirt right beside it. And I got these stuff for relatively cheap. Now, the average clothing item or a garment from these brands, these fashion houses, would probably cost me minimum $100. And that's me being courteous to them. But it is expensive when it comes to fashion. So the fact that I was able to get a Jill Sander collab for like $20 and a Marnie collab for like $40 is amazing. So that's why I'm telling you guys, telling all my man them and gal them out there that this stuff is really affordable and you can get good quality clothes. Now obviously it's not going to be to the same standard, I guess, as the actual fashion houses, but for what you're paying for is a lot better than American Eagle, is a lot better than Old Navy, Gap, all that sort of stuff. You're getting Marnie prices. You're getting Marnie designs for Uniqlo prices, which is a steal. And you can see what Kanye is doing at Gap right now with the Balenciaga collab. You're getting Balenciaga for Kanye Gap prices, which is cool. And you've never seen that before. It's bringing it down to the common man and the common woman. So definitely, yo, what I'm telling y'all is check this stuff out. I'll leave the link in the description down below for you guys to check stuff out. Check out all their collections. They also do stuff with white mountaineering. If you're into that, they do stuff with J.W. Anderson. I cop stuff from him as well. So definitely check it out. And with that said, this has been your boy Darius, and I'm signing off once again. So y'all just Chill to the next video. Stay suave, live long, and prosper.